Hey traders, it's Jeff with Simply Derivative, and here's the pre-market prep. It is Friday, December 21st. We're wrapping up the week. Today we have one more day of trading, and then next week is Christmas holiday. We're taking a look here at the ES. You can see that we are, yes, this is real. We are back in the 2400s. Um, we're down about 15% in the ES from its all-time high. Back above 2940, and we are currently sitting at 2487. So we're down about 450 points, which is about 15% on this particular index, equity index. The other ones are down just as much, if not more. Russell, Nasdaq, the Dow as well. Gold has really popped up. We're back above 1260 on gold. Crude oil is getting uh, seeing some further pressure to the downside. We're in a 45 handle now, coming off a $75 handle, so it's been quite a move in oil. You got the Fed that just raised rates this week as well, and so we have a lot going on, and people are starting to get rightfully concerned with what's going on with the markets since we are in correction territory. And so volatility is there, the moves are there. It's just finding your opportunities and making sure you're following your rules. And so for us today, we're looking at a couple different things. Number one, we got a bunch of overnight trading going on in here from 2490 down to 2470, a 20-point range in the overnight. If we can't clear yesterday's highs and get back above 2500, then all of this overnight trading is going to get cut through, and we're going to retest lows below this 24. I can't even believe I'm saying that, 2467. And we'll test back down in here in this 2460 area. Like I said, if we can't clear this 2500 and what we did yesterday early on in the morning, we will probably retest the lows again, and at that point we'll see what the market wants to do. One of two things is going to happen this Friday. We're either going to rally into the close and try to end on a good note, or they're going to continue to push this thing down, and more people are just going to pile on selling. We're not at the point where we're seeing capitulation in the markets yet, so there's definitely some room to go to the downside. One of the bigger key levels that we're paying attention to, and we have some positions around, is 2300 and below. And so we think there's still some room to go to the downside, but that doesn't necessarily mean it's going to happen today. But again, if we can't get above this 2492, 2500 area, we're going to retest the lows. We may go down first before we get a rally into the close. So there's a couple different scenarios that could play out today. But that's kind of what we're looking for. Either a short up here above 2500 or at 2500, or looking for some longs down below at 2460. That's it, guys. That's the pre-market prep for today. Best of luck trading. Stay tuned for the daily recap. We'll get that out today after the session. And be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and check us out at simplyderivative.com.